Struggling to focus? This little gadget will skyrocket your productivity. Today, I'm using the TickTime Pomodoro timer, and this Amazon gadget is perfect for anyone who wants to stay focused and productive. Using the proven Pomodoro technique, it breaks your work into timed intervals with short breaks, helping you beat distractions and stay on track. The compact design is portable, easy to use, and loud enough to alert you without being annoying. Whether you're studying, working, or tackling personal projects, this timer keeps you accountable and maximizes efficiency. Simple, effective, and incredibly practical, TickTime turns productivity from a challenge into a habit you actually enjoy.
This isn't just a desk lamp, it's a smarter way to light your workspace. Today, I'm using this LED table lamp, and it's one of those Amazon gadgets that instantly upgrades your desk setup. Designed with modern LED technology, it delivers bright, flicker-free lighting that's perfect for studying, reading, or working late at night. The adjustable design lets you direct the light exactly where you need it, while multiple brightness levels help create the perfect lighting for any task. It's energy efficient, sleek, and built to fit perfectly on any desk without taking up much space. Simple controls make it easy to use every day. Clean design, reliable performance, and smart lighting. This LED table lamp makes any workspace better. This charger looks like a tiny robot, but it powers your devices like a pro. Today, I'm using the Ugreen robot charger, and it's one of the most creative tech gadgets you'll find on Amazon. Designed like a small robot, it instantly stands out on any desk, but it's not just about looks. This compact charger delivers fast and reliable power for smartphones, tablets, and other devices. Its smart charging technology automatically adjusts power output to keep your device safe while charging efficiently. The foldable plug makes it easy to carry in your bag, making it perfect for travel or daily use. Fun, stylish, and powerful, the Ugreen robot charger proves that even a charger can have personality. Perfectly straight lines in seconds, no guesswork, no mistakes. Today, I'm using the 4-in-1 laser level, and this Amazon gadget makes precision work incredibly easy. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelves, or working on DIY projects, this tool projects bright laser guidelines that keep everything perfectly aligned. It combines multiple functions in one compact device, including a laser level, measuring tape, bubble level, and ruler. That means you get accuracy and convenience in a single tool. The design is simple, lightweight, and easy to use, even for beginners. From home improvement to professional tasks, this gadget saves time and eliminates guesswork. Smart, practical, and reliable, it's a must-have tool for any toolbox. What if a screwdriver could fit in your pocket and still handle real work? Let me show you something impressive. Today, I'm using the mini electric screwdriver, and this Amazon gadget proves that small tools can deliver big performance. Designed for precision and convenience, it makes repairing gadgets, assembling electronics, or tightening tiny screws incredibly easy. With its compact pen-style design, it fits comfortably in your hand, while the electric motor provides smooth, consistent torque. The built-in rechargeable battery keeps it ready whenever you need it, and the magnetic bits make screw handling quick and effortless. Whether you're fixing a laptop, camera, or small appliance, this tool saves time and effort. Simple, powerful, and reliable. This mini electric screwdriver is a must-have for any tech toolkit. What if your winter hat could play your favorite music? This smart beanie does exactly that. Today, I'm using the Bluetooth Beanie, and this Amazon gadget combines warmth with smart technology. At first glance, it looks like a normal winter hat, but built inside are wireless Bluetooth speakers that connect instantly to your smartphone. That means you can listen to music, podcasts, or take calls without wearing headphones. The sound is clear, the controls are simple, and the soft knitted fabric keeps you comfortable in cold weather. The rechargeable battery provides hours of listening,
making it perfect for walking, traveling, or outdoor activities. Stylish, practical, and surprisingly useful, this Bluetooth Beanie turns a simple winter accessory into a smart everyday gadget.
One hub to connect everything. This gadget transforms your laptop instantly. Today, I'm using the Anker 5-in-1 USB-C hub, and this Amazon gadget is a game changer for anyone who works on the go. With 5 essential ports packed into a sleek, compact design, it expands a single USB-C port into HDMI, USB-A, SD card, and charging options all at once. Whether you're connecting monitors, transferring files, or charging devices, this hub delivers fast, reliable performance. Plug-and-play setup means no software, no hassle. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for laptops, tablets, or ultrabooks. Efficient, versatile, and powerful, this USB-C hub simplifies your workspace and keeps you productive anywhere.